Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. We've all seen the really cool YouTube videos on the top 10 cinematic drone shots. You know, the vertical reveals, the dolly pan shots, and of course the pullbacks. And they're cool. They're great videos. I love watching them, and they're very informative. But one move that I've never seen ever mentioned or explained is my personal favorite, the reverse carousel. Let's check it out. Well, I call it the reverse carousel anyways. Maybe there's other names. Anyway, it's pretty simple to do with dramatic results. Basically, you do a reverse pullback shot at a steady altitude, but instead of going just straight back, you give it a bit of left or right yaw, such that the drone is following a big circular path, pointing tangentially to the circle. So you get all the impact of a pullback, exposing new scenes in all directions, plus you get additional interest coming in from one side or the other. Of course, it really helps to have some foreground interest, like this patch of trees in this shot, and of course, the steadier your flight is, the better. I certainly don't have the rock-steady thumbs of Martin McKenna, but maybe you do. Well, there we have it, the reverse carousel, my favorite drone move. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. If you don't already do so, please subscribe to my channel and ring that bell for notifications of all my new videos. Thanks for watching.